What's up, YouTube? What's going on, CCI family? It's your main man back with the game plan once again because, well, you already know. Look, quick update on Modine. You know I've been following Modine. Modine Manufacturing. Ticker symbol MOD. I told you, go back, check me. If you don't believe I'm running these stocks and rolling with the information, double checking and all, go back a couple videos. They're easy to see. It'll say Modine on the thumbnail. Check. Matter of fact, I'm going to put it at the end of this one. Check me out. I told you, Modine was up at around $146 a share. We dropped back kind of terribly at the beginning of the year, went back down to, I think we hit down past under $70 at one point, where I had sold half of my stake in them and held it. But when it came back to about 78, I dumped all of it back and then some, and kept DCAing into the stock. And I kept telling you, I mean, I can't tell you whether to buy or to sell. This is not financial advice. This is education only and love of the game. I kept telling you, Modine is coming back to all-time highs. Check where we're at now with Modine. As you see, they've been crossing all-time highs. Currently at 154.95, been as high as 159.54, and they're not done. They're just starting up. And you see all these things going on with AI, data centers, chips everywhere. They're nowhere near done. And with quantum on the rise as well, still a few years out, you know these qubits and so forth have to be kept at a certain temperature. And that temperature is below zero pretty much, way below. Who do you think it has a good chance of getting in there and doing this within these data centers? Check this out as well.
All right, CCI family, let's talk about Modine Manufacturing Company, ticker symbol MOD. This thermal management powerhouse has been on a tear lately, and if you've been watching the HVAC and data center cooling space, you know why. Modine stock has surged a whopping 75% over the past 6 months, crushing the broader automotive equipment industry, which only saw about 17% growth. That kind of outperformance isn't just luck, it's strategy. So what's driving the rally? Strong Q1 fiscal 2026 results. Modine posted net sales of $682.8 million, up 3% year over year. The real kicker? Their climate solutions segment is booming, thanks to rising demand for data center cooling and HVAC tech. Strategic acquisitions. In April, they acquired Absoluair, and in May, they picked up LB White, a global leader in specialty heating for agriculture and construction. Both are now fueling growth in Modine's HVAC Technologies Group. Global expansion. Modine just opened a 100,000 square feet facility in Chennai, India, aimed at ramping up production for the Asia-Pacific data center market. That's a bold move to meet surging demand and deliver faster, localized solutions. Analyst confidence. KeyBank bumped Modine's price target from $150 to $160, citing their $100 million investment in expanding data center cooling capacity and the rollout of new products like EdgeDX and Edge Air under the Airedale brand. Financially, Modine's looking solid. They're sitting on $2.58 billion in revenue, with a gross margin of 24.9% and a return on equity of 12.23%. Debt to equity is just 0.39, showing strong financial discipline. Bottom line, Modine is executing on all fronts: organic growth, smart acquisitions, global expansion, and product innovation. If you're tracking industrials or data center plays, MOD deserves a spot on your radar. So, is Modine Manufacturing a candidate for quantum computing cooling tech? Right now, the bleeding edge of quantum cooling is happening in ultra-low temperature physics. Think liquid helium immersion, dilution refrigerators, and 2D thermoelectric devices operating at millikelvin temperatures too. These are specialized systems designed to keep quantum bits, or qubits, stable near absolute zero. Modine's current strength lies in data center cooling, HVAC systems, and thermal management for industrial and automotive applications. Their Airedale brand, for example, is making waves with EdgeDX and EdgeAir, which are high-efficiency cooling solutions for traditional and AI-driven data centers. But here's the strategic angle. As quantum computing scales beyond the lab, it'll need modular, scalable, and efficient cooling infrastructure, especially for hybrid systems that combine quantum and classical computing. That's where Modine could step in. Their expertise in precision cooling, energy efficiency, and global manufacturing makes them a potential partner or supplier in the quantum ecosystem.
All right, so there you have it. Once again, all the information you need to make a conscious decision whether you want to invest with Modine or no. I can't make the decision for you, but I can give you the information you need, and you can do some more research yourself. But this is strike number 2 in the chump change family for you to get in and get up. Now, what I will tell you is now is not the best time to jump in, to chase. We don't chase here. We never chase the money, okay? We wait till it comes to us, to our level. And right now, the level I'm seeing is about $140, okay? There was a real steady line, strong line at around $140, $141, where you can get back in and start accumulating some shares or DCA. Okay, so I just wanted to drop that in on y'all real quick. Don't take up much time. Thank y'all again for tuning in. Remember, catch me on Wednesday. We're going to jump back into the blueprint portfolio and get that rolling the way it should be. All right, catch y'all then. Thanks again. Have a blessed and safe couple days until I see you. Peace.